Hello everybody, this is Joe being videos on the Gemmy Master Animatronics, and this is a video of the Gemmy Halloween animated eyeball doorbell that was sold in 2015 and 2016. This was the one that was sold at Big Lots both years, the pink one, and in this past season, the 2016 season, they sold a black one at Target and a white one at Cracker Barrel. I think it has four sayings. The eyelid opens and the eye turns side to side, which is pretty cool. It is kind of like an older Gemmy item, so I give them credit for this one. This one's pretty neat, I think. Quality, they're kind like the first year they were made, they were pretty faulty actually. The eye would actually close and then they would reopen. But I think I wonder if they fixed that issue on the newer ones. I'm not sure, but this one works fine, and yeah. I think it takes 3 AA's, yeah, probably. So it says push terrain. So I don't really have too much to say about this one. And I wouldn't be surprised if it's for sale again this year, and they're making a crystal ball version of it. So yeah. I must say, it's very loud. It's pretty cool. You can hear that motor, it runs for like 2 seconds. That's what breaks so easily on it. That's why it breaks so easily. So I think that's pretty much it. So hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and bye.